In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a received payment that has been deposited in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever tried to remove a payment and noticed that QuickBooks won't let you delete it right away, it's usually because that payment has already been included in a bank deposit. In that case, you need to remove the payment from the deposit first, and then you can delete the received payment itself. I'll walk you through that process clearly so you can do it without confusion. Start by going to the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and clicking the gear icon. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you can access your bank accounts and review the activity connected to them. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, find the bank account where the payment was deposited. On that same line, click View Register. This will open the register for that bank account where you can see the transactions that have been posted to it. Now locate the bank deposit that includes the payment you want to remove. When you find that deposit, click on it and then choose Edit. This opens the full deposit screen, where you'll be able to see all payments currently included in that deposit. In the deposit table, look for the specific payment you want to remove. Uncheck the box next to that payment. Be careful here to remove only the correct payment, especially if the deposit contains multiple entries. After unchecking it, click Save and Close and then confirm by clicking Yes if prompted. At this point, the payment is no longer tied to that bank deposit, which is what allows you to move on to the deletion step. Next, go to the left-hand menu and select Sales, then click Customers. If you prefer, you can also go through Sales Transactions to find the payment there. Search for the correct customer and click their name to open the customer profile. Inside the customer's profile, find the received payment entry you want to remove and click on it to open the payment. At the bottom of the payment page, click More, then select Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the deletion, so click Yes. And that's it. The received payment has now been deleted. Just remember, the key part of this process is removing the payment from the bank deposit first. If you skip that step, QuickBooks typically won't allow the payment to be deleted. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to clean up the transaction properly.